Good morning, students. So, today our topic from chapter 4 Light Energy is lateral inversion. Now, let us understand what you mean by lateral inversion. Suppose if you stand in front of a plane mirror, you see your image on it. Thus, the image look exactly like you and it is of the same size. Now, if you hold a pen in your right hand, you will see that the pen is in the left hand of your image. Thus, the right of the object becomes the left of the image, and the left of the object becomes the right of the image. This is called the lateral inversion. Thus, the interchange of left and right sides in the object and the image is called the lateral inversion. As you can see in the figure which is given in your book, suppose there is F written in front of the mirror, so the image that is formed in the mirror is opposite. Now, the lateral inversion produced by a plane mirror is similar to the inversion that occurs on a blotting paper used to dry the ink while writing. The lateral inversion of letter like A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y is not noticeable because these letters have the same kind of image. Now, as you can see, if the A is written and put in front of the mirror, so the image of this A will exactly be the same. Thus, you cannot notice the inversion of A. But if we take another letter, suppose B, and place it this in front of the mirror, now when you see the image of the bee in the mirror, you can see that the image is forming opposite to the object of bee that is in front of the mirror. Now the lateral inversion is produced by a plane mirror is similar to the inversion that occurs on a blotting paper and used to dry the ink while writing. The lateral inversion of letter like A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y is not noticeable because these letters have symmetry about a vertical line passing through the letter. The front now One thing you must have noticed that the front of an ambulance has letters written in form of ECNALUBMA, so that when this is inverted ambulance in a rear view, you can notice